If you're seeing a GOG error 401 and you can't browse the GOG storefront or open your wishlist, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by an expired login token, a stuck browser cookie, or a local GOG cache issue. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get back into GOG as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, we're going to clear the GOG cookies from your browser. Open the browser you use for GOG, then click the three dots or the settings icon in the top right corner. From there, go into Privacy and Security, then find Cookies and Other Site Data. This is important because your browser may be holding onto an expired session token that is causing the 401 error. Once you're in the Cookies section, search specifically for GOG.com. Make sure you only target GOG-related data so you do not wipe out your entire browsing history or delete cookies for every site you use. After the results appear, click the trash or delete icon next to all GOG entries. Remove every entry connected to GOG.com, then close your browser completely. Now reopen the browser and log back into your GOG account. In many cases, that alone will fix the error, because you are forcing the browser to create a fresh authentication session. If the 401 error is still there, move on to the next step. Now we're going to clear the second GOG Galaxy folder from Windows. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run box. Type %ProgramData% and hit Enter. This will take you into the ProgramData folder, where Windows stores application data that can sometimes cause login or sync problems. Inside this folder, look for the GOG.com folder and open it. Then delete the second Galaxy folder you find there as well. This step helps remove corrupted local data that may be causing GOG Galaxy or the storefront to keep failing authentication. Once that folder is deleted, restart the GOG application and enter your credentials again. If you are still getting the 401 error after clearing cookies and local folders, the issue may be related to your network routing or DNS cache. Corrupted network routing protocols can sometimes cause your connection to misroute security handshakes to GOG servers, which can trigger login and access errors like this. To fix that, search for CMD in the Windows search bar. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the next command needs elevated permissions. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache and can remove bad routing data that may be interfering with your connection to GOG. After the command finishes, restart your computer. A full restart helps apply the changes cleanly and gives your network a fresh start. Once your PC is back on, try opening GOG again and check whether you can access your profile, storefront, or wishlist. If the problem was caused by an expired token, a corrupted cookie, a damaged Galaxy folder, or a bad DNS cache, one of these steps should resolve it. The key is to go through them in order, so you fix the most common causes first before moving to the deeper system-level repair. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix GOG error 401 by clearing browser cookies, removing local GOG data, and flushing your DNS cache. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.